Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be playing fish with nobody. Okay. Okay. It's nighttime. Sometimes night is good. Yo, that guy's good. Bro, Godzilla Gamer 50, I think it's 54, just caught a good fish. Godzilla Gamer 54 is here, but he's not on call. Oh, I caught something good. Yes! That's pretty good. That's really good. For like I think it was the first cast for the video. Give me a mythic. Give me a mythic. I want a mythic. Piranha. Yo. Who? Ugh. How does Godzilla Gamer keep getting really good pets? Oh. Okay. How does he keep getting? I'm the only one that's not lucky, man. Maybe I'll get it too, right? Right? I know. Ryan got the shark in like a. Bruh. Dang it. I've got the shark before. Man, I just got a crate and I got a shark and whatever. Oh. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. What did I get? What did I get? I think it's... Yo! Bro, how does he keep getting the best pets? We're using the same fishing rod, man. Okay, how does he keep getting these? What is he using? Okay, there's no way he's getting all that and I'm getting this trash stuff. He's so lucky. Let's hope we get like an enchantment thing. Wanting to... No. Just how? I just want to know how he's possibly doing this. Maybe I need to be in his spot after I deal with him. Let's see. Maybe it's just the spot I was in. So good. to the No, Peaches has the best luck in my game. And I just gotta... Oh, never mind. Never mind. Actually, I gotta get this. I'm going to go crazy. No joke. Yeah, sure. I've got that before. I've got that. There we go. Now that's a good. Yeah! I swear Ryan, Godzilla Gamer gets a Melodon or whatever it's called. Okay, he got crazy. Let's go! I knew it was just the spot I was in. I had the wrong button. So right here is always will be the spot to get good fish. Okay, okay. Speed running, yeah. Boom. How many times do I gotta click, man? Okay. Huh. I need it. I don't know what that is. That doesn't look good. Why isn't it? Yeah, it's small. Click. Oh! No! 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 There's no way he gets that. There's no way. I don't think he's gonna get it. He's struggling. He got it! Oh, that's crazy. Huh. Wait, I can... I just get... Okay. What did Godzilla Gamer get, guys? We're gonna lose. But it must have took them so long to make this game. Barrel. I wonder if you just click faster, you get a better one. Let's see. Let's see what I get. I want to just faster. Oh, okay. It does. You just got a really good pet. Why do I get fish? See, look. Okay. Yo. Okay. Speed run. Give me a mythical. Boop. Okay. 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 See what I got? What the heck? Yes. Catch rate. Yo. Yo. Not crazy. Bro just got hammered on this tiny fish. See. No! Yeah, it's already gone, so can't have good luck anymore. I wish I had Robux, but I'm broke as a joke. Oh, come on. Why does he keep getting the best stuff? There we go. Let's go. No, no, no. That was close. What am I looking at? Looking at something else. I saw a bag of chips floating in my room. Because it's normal. I just want to know how to get that. I'm probably going to look it up after this video, how to get it. Oh, that's good to know. Let's go! 40 streak too. I can't tell if they wrote fish wrong. Or that's just how they named it. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Bye, and have a good day.